Welcome to Better Life. Sigma males are also called lone wolves or wanderers. Because they choose their own path, they don't follow anyone. Contrary to alpha and beta males, they are not attention seekers, nor they seek validation of others. They have a tendency to go outside of the line of traditional social dominance hierarchies, sets them apart and makes them different. They don't follow the most common paths, which are either followed by alpha or beta males. They set new paths to walk. That's why they are called lone wolves. Here in this video, we will talk about the 9 traits of Sigma male. Number 1 is self-sufficient. Sigma males are the most self-sufficient of all male archetypes. They don't rely on anyone for their needs. They fulfill their needs by their own. They don't look for anyone to come and pay for their bills. Instead, they earn their own money to pay their bills. They don't need anyone to accompany them. They enjoy their own company. If they need something, they go out and get it. They like freedom and value their self. Number 2 is flexibility. Sigma males are flexible and have the ability to adapt in most circumstances. They even can perform well in different situations. On the other hand, alpha and beta males are rigid and they can't adapt to new circumstances and environments, while the sigma males are the ones who can work well even outside of their comfort zones. Number 3 is they are genuine. In social situations or around people where all the alphas and betas try to show the best of themselves or wear a fake mask on them, sigma males tend to be as who they are, regardless of who is around. They are the same person with other people as they are alone, and this trait is exceptional in them. Number 4 is they are good listeners. They are excellent listeners. They only speak when needed. They don't speak a lot without the need to speak. Just like alpha males do, they speak a lot about themselves and about others as well. Sigmas don't speak much. They only speak too little and are good listeners. Number 5 is they are self-aware. Self-awareness is something rare or not so common in beta males and shows their insecurity. Sigma males, on other hand, are self-aware. They knew about their positive and negative sides, thus try to correct them and improve their self by removing their flaws and mistakes. So usually they don't repeat their mistake. Number 6 is they are not afraid of taking risks. They follow strange paths. That's why they are risk takers. They are not afraid of taking risks in order to be successful. They break social structures, like to do their own things. They are not afraid of taking decisions which could be risky. Number 7 is they are rebellious. Sigma do things as they want to do. They don't follow instructions of others. That's why they often break rules. Their thinking and actions are completely different from others. That intimidate many people. That's why most people don't like them. They don't have much friends and they don't need them. Enjoy their own company. Number 8 is they get a lot of attention. Unlike beta and alpha males who needs others' attention, sigma males are not attention seekers. They don't want to be part of limelight. Their strong personality attracts others toward them, especially women are mostly attracted towards them. Number 9 is they are straightforward. Mostly men believed in sugarcoating when want to say something unlikable, while sigma males don't sugarcoat things. They will tell you their true feelings. That's why if you are seeking for an honest opinion, you can ask from them. Their straightforwardness can bother to many, but who value impartiality and honesty, they will like this trait. So this was our today's video. If you find this video useful, don't hesitate to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more wonderful content. Also don't forget to check out our other videos too. Up till next video, take care.